Hard to beat weather like this in the second half of April. This is definitely a treat, seeing these late spring, early summer-like conditions and no rain to speak of. And yesterday, the warmest day in 2013 so far for the Eugene area, and some places even seen some record high temperatures. 74 was a high temperature in Eugene, Corvallis, even warmer up in Portland at 75. We topped out at 73 in Eugene, happened to be the coolest spot here along the Willamette Valley. Even warmer as you head down into Douglas County, 81 there, 82 in Medford, warmest day on the year so far for them. Back up to 70 in Redmond and head out to the coast, even warmer than the valley. It was a toasty one in North Bend with a high of 75 degrees, tying their old record of 75 set back in 1926. So you can see how rare that is. And head down into Brookings, the warmest spot in the state, 3 days in a row above 80, all the way back up to 83 there yesterday. Now that high of 73, that's 11 above average for this time of year and just 6 below that record of 79, which was set back in 1929. Of course, didn't see any rainfall yesterday. Now the deficit, it just continues to climb with each day, over 13.5 inches below average for this point here in 2013. Now, we're still seeing clear skies west of the Cascades, but over into central and eastern Oregon, we are starting to see some high clouds moving in from the north, a sign that we're starting to see some changes. The other thing that's changed this morning is our wind, now out of the south rather than the north at about 3 miles per hour. Temperatures are warm, though, because of those south winds, sitting at 39 degrees at the airport. Dew point still down to 35, so it is still relatively dry this morning, and that visibility is a full 10 miles. You're sitting in the upper 30s in Bend, cooler in Redmond and for parts of the southeastern part of the state, but most of western Oregon is on the warm side at 44 there in Roseburg. Also seeing those mid-40s along the coast this morning. So that ridge of high pressure, it's still parked offshore, but it's starting to slowly slide to the east. And as it does, again, we're starting to see those clouds drifting in here through the central part of the state. That ridge is going to continue to flatten over the coming days, and that'll allow more and more of that marine layer to push here into western Oregon. Still staying dry, still staying mostly sunny, and definitely still staying warm. But as we head into Sunday, we'll actually see more of that cloud cover moving in, could see a little bit of drizzle. And then as we head into Monday, we'll have a weak cold front that's going to try and push inland. You can see right now it's well out into the Pacific, but that'll get here Monday, bring in a few showers. And then as that clears out, that ridge will reform and we'll get right back to those sunny, dry, warm conditions. So for the coast, highs back into the upper 50s and low 60s, mostly sunny, winds out the north at 5 to 15 miles per hour. With each day, you'll see that marine layer get a little bit thicker. High temperatures dropping to the upper 50s by Saturday, mid 50s by Sunday. Could see a little bit of drizzle Sunday, showers Monday, and then looking at those dry conditions and warm as well as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. The Umpqua Basin right back up near 80 today. Another warm one for you. Winds staying out of the north up to 15 miles per hour. Friday, no different. Saturday dropping ever so slightly. And then it's back down into the upper 60s Sunday through Tuesday. The Cascades nice and toasty. Highs back into the mid 60s under mostly sunny skies. Nearly 70 for those of you in the foothills. Low to mid 70s in central Oregon. Sunny, warm skies continue, and you'll continue to see those temperatures climb all the way to mid 70s Friday, and then slowly cooling off as we head into Sunday and Monday. And for the valley, we're looking at mid 70s today as well. Grab the sunscreen. Make sure you have the layers that you can peel off this afternoon. Same story Friday. Again, a little bit cooler this weekend. Good running weather for the Eugene Marathon. Great weather for the sprint game on Saturday. And then Monday, a few showers, and then back to dry weather Tuesday.
Can I handle it?
Pretty good.